What's up, guys? This is Olufemi Chris, and welcome to The Process. So, today's episode, which is actually my first episode, we'll be looking at how to create a simple church flyer. Yeah, a simple church flyer. So, this is basically what we're going to be creating for today, and this is basically my source file. Yeah, this so this is just basically what I'm going to be using, or this is what I used to create this design. So let's get into it. So I'm going to delete this off my work area so that I can start building my process. All right, so I'm going to be dragging and dropping this into my work area. So that's the first thing. So I need to take care of this background. I don't need it, so I need to crop it out. So just use my lasso tool. So I use the magnetic just to make it a bit faster for me. So this is just how I get to do some of my process. So I just drag it out using the magnetic lasso tool. Yeah, it might be easy for this image, but trust me, there are some images that can give you stress while trying to do this, on it. But for this particular image that I'm working with, so I'm changing to polygon lasso tool right now. I need to take care of some of the excesses. I like to pay attention to some details if I am doing croppings like this. Yes, I know this sort of like old school style, yeah, but I'm an old school guy in a way, so I kind of like doing this, taking my beat step by step. So we're just trimming out this guy. The whole essence is we want to take out the cloud background before the guy, yeah, and we can introduce our own elements there. So all these excesses, I'm trying to add them into it. Those are the part that the magnetic polygon tool could not add while going around this subject. So I like to do this, go step by step into editing my images, yeah, so that at least I pay more attention to it. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be hearing the sound of my mouse clicking. Tick 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 tick. All right, so I think I have that. So let's see the entire work area. And so this is what we have. I come here, let's do a construct. Yeah, I have that to it, just to ensure that some part can be taken care of. Sorry. Yeah, so there we go, and I hit my max. That's what I have. So once I do this, I don't like saying this right now, so I usually that's just me. Next thing we are going to do, I need this to be a bit smaller. Yeah, so I need to fill up the sides. So, or I could do this. So I'm going to cut all these parts off. Yeah, so what I just need to do is expand my work area. Yeah. Then trim a little bit from this side. So what I just need to do is I need to cut out this side. Yeah, and so this thing can be stubborn all the time. So once I cut it out, I try to extract it. Alright, so once I've done that, I can add this here. Just expand it a bit. Then create, duplicate it. And just fill out. Just blend some of these images. I'm applying it on the wrong side. Yeah, so nope. Yeah, then yeah, so this is what I wanted. Take it up a bit. Yeah, so I've done the first part of it, which is, taking out the background, the cloudy image, there. So next is I need to add my image that I want to use. So I put it behind, then scale it up, way up. So for me to be able to do that, just me scaling it up like this. So once that is done, try to give it a bit of Gaussian blur. Yeah, Gaussian blur makes it beautiful, sweet. Then add the black filter to it. The same thing too goes here, but I need to add a bit of levels to this guy here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we have. So next is let's add the logo. Just drag in the logo to it. Yeah. Let's make it a bit small. Bring it. Oh, sorry. I'm going to drag the image. Alright, so here we have the logo. Then let's have the theme text. Don't then change the typeface. No. So red. Need my font to be a bit attractive. So selecting font is one major thing that you have to learn when you're doing designs. Yeah, it's very crucial to having a very good design. Yeah, selecting fonts could be, yeah. Okay, so here we go. This is just to show you the process of creating something. So just sort of like group it together, then try to basically central align it. So once that is done, yeah, then just add a small. Yep. Then add the next text. Oh. Yep. Let's change the fonts. And add some, get a dark shade. Yeah. Then yep. So there we have it. Then I've created the other information, so I'm just going to go bring it in. Then yeah, these are the other information I was talking about. I've created it somewhere. So it's just, yeah. So there you have it. And voila. So let's just make this small caps, and basically what we have. And it's been it's been awesome. I'm still learning how to do, you know, a tutorial. Basically, this is something close to what we said. So this is just the process of me creating these lovely design. Yeah, and I hope you could try it out with your own image. Yeah, and be sure to drop a comment, yeah, and I'll get back to you. Let's know how it went for you. So till my next tutorial, see you and have a great day.